Hello everyone and welcome back to Florence, Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to the hill of Marignole. We are overlooking the city of Florence and we're just about 1 kilometer away to the historical center. We are here to discover together a charming former limonaia, which nowadays has been beautifully restored into a luxury villa and also has its own ancient private chapel that has been converted into a lovely guest house and also another guest apartment. Let's discover the property. Come with me. Let's begin by talking about the location of the property. We are set on an open, panoramic, but at the same time private and practical position. In fact, we are overlooking the spectacular city of Florence, but we're just about 1 kilometer away to the historical center. The airport is about 12 kilometers away, and the train station that connects Florence to all of Italy is just 3.5 kilometers away. As I mentioned earlier, this property is a former limonaia. Important manorial villas used to often have this kind of building close by, which in the past was used to store lemons in the winter days and protect them from the cold. Nowadays, the villa has been recently restored and over the centuries has been enlarged. Today, it presents some incredible high-end luxury finishes that make this property a one-of-a-kind turnkey opportunity. The property is made up of 3 main parts. We have the main beautiful villa, which is 350 square meters of internal space. Then we have the first guest house. It is a large apartment right below the lush garden you see right behind me, which is 130 square meters. And in the end, we have the former private chapel, which is nowadays no longer consecrated and has been turned and converted into a beautiful guest house with stunning frescoes. The main gate of the villa opens straight away into this large parking area, embellished by Tuscan olive trees. Then, on the right side, we find the former private chapel that I will show you later. And on the left side, on the lower part, we find the access to the apartment I mentioned earlier. Then, let's go up these stairs, access to the garden and the main villa. Follow me. Before we go inside the villa, let me mention this beautiful, lush garden that is nice and spacious and overlooking the city of Florence with infinity views. Let's go inside. The main door opens immediately into the impressive living area of the villa. The whole property has been tastefully and elegantly furnished, and let me mention that it is sold completely furnished and therefore turnkey. The property begins with this reception space that has a comfortable wardrobe by the entrance, so you can leave your jacket as you enter. Then, on the left side, it has the beautiful living area. I love how the room is one and it is huge, but it's been divided through furnishings into smaller sections. Beginning from the reception space, then next we have this cozy sitting area, which is revolving around this stone fireplace. It is really ancient and it is working, perfect for the winter time. Let me mention how the villa has been equipped with air-conditioned heating system. Then there is also a home automation system for the cameras and for the alarm. Back to speaking about the layout, from the living area, we sway into the dining space. This is a beautiful dining area with a huge table. It is one slab of marble, black and white, and really stylish, matching perfectly with the rest of the property. There are 12 seats, so enough to host lots of friends and a full family. Let's keep going on this side. On my left side, we find a comfortable washroom which serves all of the living spaces. It is as well completely covered in black marble, matching the dining table. Then we keep going and find a beautiful, really cozy TV room. It has the couch on this side, perfect to relax in peace. And over here we find this beautiful dark wood piece of furnishing, holding and hosting the TV. The home keeps going. Right next to the TV space, we find this hallway which connects on my left side the beautiful laundry space. It is equipped already with a sink and working area, washer and dryer, and in the end finishes with a bedroom with bathroom for a housekeeper. Let's keep going to the kitchen. The kitchen is gorgeous, super elegant and completely equipped. There is an induction top. Then on this side we have 2 ovens, we have a coffee machine, all of the storage spaces that you could dream of. Beautiful black stone top. Right in front it has a comfortable pantry space. Then behind me we have a second access to the villa from the road. And on this side, I forgot to mention, there is a comfortable, smaller marble table, perfect for a quick lunch. Right behind me, we have another working top, which is an extension of the kitchen with extra storage, and over here, a fridge for wine. Let's keep going on this side. Next, we find a comfortable washroom serving the kitchen area, and we finish up into this cozy space, which at the moment is a playroom for kids, but could as well be converted into a nice office space or even into a larger pantry room. This is the courtyard of the villa, one of the most beautiful and charming spots in the whole property. We have an open sky right above us, but at the same time we feel protected and in a cozy area because we're surrounded by this charming ancient stone wall on this side, which is crenellated on top, reminding me of a castle, while on this other part there is actually the villa. In fact, most of the spaces we've seen so far, so the living area and on this side the kitchen, can be accessed from the courtyard, and in fact you can enjoy them with an indoor-outdoor living during the warmer days. This outdoor courtyard perfectly matches the indoor living area we've seen earlier. In fact, right here inside there is the sitting space. So right outside we have the larger outdoor version of the living area. Same thing on this other part, there is a huge, beautiful dining table, which is perfect for summer days, outdoor dining al fresco. On the floor we find this teak wood, which paves the total area and surface. And we have lots of beautiful details. We have some beautiful green plants all around. And anywhere you look, you notice either a stone detail or an ancient family logo and crest. On this side, you have the ancient well of the property. It really is truly fascinating. Up a few steps, on the first level of the villa, we find the rest of the bedrooms. We have this central part over here, which divides them. In fact, on the right part, we find 2. I will show you later. And let's now see the main primary bedroom. It begins with this hallway with this large custom-fitted bespoke wardrobe, which feels like a walk-in wardrobe, and it is full of natural light thanks to these two windows on this side. Finally, we get to the actual primary bedroom. It is beautiful, full of natural light, and super charming with these exposed, sanded and then painted in white beams that gives extra light to the space. On this side, the mirror continues matching the walk-in wardrobe we've seen. Over here we have a large bed with beautiful window with little French balcony. And right behind me, we access to this stunning marble, black and white marble, matching the one on the lower floor, ensuite bathroom with his and hers sinks. One last thing I'd like to mention is that right by the main bathroom and the main bedroom, behind this plaster wall you see behind me, by removing it, you access to the last piece of the villa. You might have noticed it from the outside view. That also has an outdoor access, and there is a beautiful, huge space where restoration works have been started, but they need to be completed. And it is a huge space with high ceilings, really beautiful and full of light, which was thought to be a gym for the house, but could also be either a large studio or a yoga room. It really can be converted into several rooms, even a bedroom if you like. Let's have a look at the other two bedrooms of the main villa. This is the bedroom for kids. It is a little bit smaller. It begins with, on my right side, a beautiful ensuite bathroom, also here finished with stunning stone. On this side we find, beginning over here with a built-in wardrobe, completely covered in mirrors, making this space look even larger. On this side we then have this French window overlooking the courtyard. And if you look above, you notice the mezzanine level, where even another second bed could fit. And I love how from here we notice all of the wooden beams on the ceiling. Third bedroom of the villa, nice and cozy, spacious and full of light. It begins on my right side with the walk-in wardrobe right behind this door. Then on the left we find another ensuite bathroom. It is set up and furnished just like the other smaller bedroom. And over here we have this mezzanine level, really cozy, and we find a bed up here. We're finished with the main villa. Let's now have a look at the 130 square meters apartment, which is accessed through this door over here. It has one bedroom and one bathroom, and a large kitchen and living area. Private chapel begins with the kitchen. It is finished with this playful yellow color and marble top. On this side we then find another external access onto the back garden and back parking, and on the left side we get to another very quaint and charming bathroom, washroom for the ground spaces. While over here on my left we get to the stairs to the upper level with the one bedroom of the private chapel and its own ensuite bathroom. Let's see the main space. The private chapel is from the 1700s and it's been completely restored and maintained, keeping its original details, all of its paintings and its frescoes. It is really charming and truly the icing on the cake for this property. Have a look how this is a large living and dining space. We are right inside the chapel. Over here we have TV. In fact, there is excellent acoustics in here, and it is truly a beautiful guest house where to welcome your guests when they come and visit you. And here we are ending today's property tour. I truly love this home. I think it ticks lots of boxes. It is minutes away to the center of one of the most beautiful historical cities of the world. And most of all, it's furnished. It's turnkey, and all of the furnishings are included in the price. So truly a one-of-a-kind opportunity. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comment section below and share the video with your friends. Remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao.